How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and today we are here at Fun Fore All here in Cranberry, Pennsylvania. It's a nice FEC up here just north of Pittsburgh, and we are here to do a couple of attractions that are open, including mini golf, arcade games, go-karts, and I've even heard that their Fiesta Express kiddie coaster is operational. And if that's the case, then that will be our first ever coaster ride of 2020, and even, as far as I know, the only roller coaster open in the state of Pennsylvania. So let's just go in and have some fun. That was our day here at Fun Fore All. My first ever park trip of 2020. I'll just say this right now, it was really nice just to get out there and enjoy the sunshine and do some of the attractions. And speaking of attractions, Fun Fore All had most of their attractions open, including the go-karts, batting cages, mini golf, arcade games, the XD dark ride simulator thing, and even Fiesta Express, the only operating roller coaster in the state of Pennsylvania, as far as I know. And we did all of those and more, and we had a great couple of hours here. And honestly, if you want to get just a little bit of your amusement fix right now, come to Fun Fore All in Cranberry. It's open right now. Staff was friendly, very clean, very, very nice. Hey guys, it's David from the future, and I actually forgot to film and talk about the safety precautions that Fun Fore All is taking at this time. For starters, there is tape and markers all over the place to help you know where you're going and to maintain 6 feet or more. Also, another thing too, for most of the attractions, in between cycles, staff members were disinfecting every single seat, every single ride vehicle. That went for the go-karts, the bumper cars, the Fiesta Express, the simulator. For mini golf, they were cleansing golf clubs as well as golf balls. And before they handed it off to you, they did ask you what size club you wanted and also what color. They wanted to have as minimal contact as possible. For the batting cages, that was the only thing that I saw that guests had to self-clean. There were disinfecting wipes there and hand sanitizer, but you did have to clean off the baseball bats and the baseball helmets. In the arcade, there wasn't any sanitizing wipes to wipe down video games after use. Neither did I see any employees wiping it down themselves, but then again, I may have just not seen it. They may have been doing it or not. But there were hand sanitizer locations scattered all throughout the indoor section of Fun Fore All. Now, one thing I want to mention is that Fun Fore All is not mandating for guests to wear a mask while they are visiting. Employees do, however, and I will say, with the exception of employees, my group and I were one of the very few to actually wear masks during our visit. There also wasn't much social distancing from the guests in lines for the attractions, despite the markers on the ground, so take that for what you will. Overall, it was kind of nice to get back to normal just for a little bit, and we still had a fun couple of hours. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe for more content. With that being said, Thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.